Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be cleaning a brand new VW Tiguan. It's booked in for an interior valet, 2-stage machine polish and 2 year ceramic coating. So let's get straight into the video.
We'll be back one day.
Alright, so here is the car. Like I said, brand new Tiguan. So yeah, let's get it washed, prepped, ready for coatings. Obviously, first we start with the wheels, then wash the body, and then we'll put it in, dry it off, and do the interior. And then tomorrow I jump on polishing and ceramic coatings. Right, okay, so as you can see, it is now the next day. I've done a time lapse of washing the car and deconning it. I claim it as it is a brand new car, but I didn't realise how bad the paintwork was until I pulled it in. So this is a brand new car out of VW. It's in bad shape, I'd say, already. But yeah, it's all prepped, ready to go. When I pulled it in yesterday, obviously the wheels were decontaminated when I washed it, so I coated the wheels yesterday. So mainly it's just cracking on with machine polishing. I've done a little bit of hoovering yesterday as well. To show you that now, nothing too crazy. I've still got to wipe it down and things like that, and then do the floor mats. But yeah, I'm just going to mess about with some pads and compounds and see what is perfect for this. But as I said, it is not in the best condition at all, but what can you do? It's a brand new car. I mean, do you expect anything more these days? Not really. So yeah, let's crack on with this. Right, okay, so as you've seen, I've polished these doors. Much better. Just need refining really, and then that scratch needs to come out, which I'm going to go over. But yeah, they look much better. Just need to refine everything now. Yeah, it'll do. I mean, it looks so much glossier already. Obviously, glossier doesn't mean much. Obviously, it's here for a 2-stage paint correction, so like I said, I've got to refine it, but we're getting there, slowly but surely. Right, okay, so all the first stage is done. I went for a heavy cut and a fast cutting microfiber pad. It's come out really nice and glossy. Obviously, the clips I put in with the torch are all before refinement, so before the next stage. So I'm not going to film the next stage. I will literally just go around the car, get it done. Then once I'm done, I'll show the car again, and then I'll do more time lapses of prepping the car for the coatings, etc, etc. Right, so paint correction's done. Now it's time to prep for ceramic coatings. Got a little Nick with me. With these, I'll quickly show his car quick. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Show you this quickly. I know it's off topic, but yeah, it's boosted, quite cool. But he doesn't look after his car though, like some of us. Look at that. But yeah, so ready for coatings now. Right, so these are the coatings that are being applied. That one was applied yesterday to the wheels. And obviously glass, and then paint. I'm going to start with the paint first. So yeah, I'll time lapse that now as well. done. What a transformation it's been. This is how it should have looked when it came out of the showroom, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've tried to do it the best I can. Obviously, videos will get better over time. So just to quickly run through everything. So as a 2-stage machine polish, 2-year ceramic coating to the paintwork, wheels and glass. And then just a light interior valet, just to freshen the whole car up basically and make it feel brand new again, even though it is brand new. Paintwork wasn't the best. I'm not sure how many times it's been washed prior to coming to me to get the work done, but transformed the car and made it look better than it did when it come out of the factory, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for many more videos. Thanks.
We'll be back one day.